Hi guys, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M33 and let me show you how to turn on developer options here. So whenever you wish to unlock developer panel, you have to enroll the list of all apps, go to settings then, find and pick about phone, and here you need to select software info. Here you will notice build number, so tap on it 7 times. Then draw your unlock pattern if you have one. And as you can see, developer mode has been enabled, so let's go back. And from now on, you will be able to find developer options at the bottom of your settings list. Tap to open and smoothly use whatever you need. Then whenever you want to deactivate developer options, just unmark the stop switcher. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.